In this video, you will learn how to inactivate auto email. Making a Paragon contact inactive will prevent a safe search from running and will not send out future listing alerts. First, go to Contacts and view Manage Contact. Click on your client's name. On the left-hand side, click on Contact Information. Next, click on Inactive. Finally, click on Save. Your client is now inactive in Paragon. Now you know how to make your client inactive in Paragon to stop future auto emails. If you have any questions, call Bay East Tech Support at 925-732-7100. Thank you.